Hello friends, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to make passive income online in 2023. Passive income is the type of income that, once set up, requires minimal work to earn and maintain. There are so many sources passive income can come from, ranging from selling products online to old-school ways such as investing. It gives you freedom and flexibility, and you can often work from anywhere. So let's get started with the first passive income idea: selling digital products. If you're an entrepreneur or creative with a specific skill set you can share, then why not make some money from it? A digital product is a downloadable or streamable file or product that media consumers can't touch physically themselves. Where to sell digital products online in 2023 to make passive income? Selling digital products on Amazon, selling digital products on Etsy, selling digital products on Shopify. Digital products offer high profit margins, as you only need to make the product once and then you can sell it repeatedly online, with no need to hire either a huge container to store the products or a studio to create even more. There are so many digital product ideas you could look into: ebooks, digital templates, mobile apps. Why not sell online courses or digital guides? So think about what skills you have and how you can monetize this as a product. If you love writing, sharing ideas, and talking about a specific subject or niche, content writing is the perfect passive income stream for you. Setting up a blog is easy too, as there are so many ready-made website platforms out there where you can easily start uploading content from day one. Once you've set up your blog, you can earn passive income by selling affiliate products, creating sponsored posts, selling your own products. This isn't a get-rich-quick idea, but with the right strategy and plan, you can easily make over $10,000 a month. If you like what you're writing about and sharing, then blogging will be more fun than hard work. It's possible to create a passive income stream from YouTube. With YouTube, you've got to create content that people want to see and upload via a consistent schedule. From this, you can earn money from sponsored videos to ad revenue. If you don't have a way with words or videography, but you still want to earn passive income from affiliate marketing, this idea is the one for you. Affiliate marketing involves recommending a product or service to an audience. You earn a commission whenever someone uses your referral link to buy the recommended product or service. Affiliate marketing websites to check in 2023: Shopify Affiliate Program, CJ Affiliate, eBay Partner Network, Rakuten Advertising, ClickBank, Amazon. This is a low-risk and scalable passive income idea. All you have to do is handle the marketing while the brand itself develops the product and sends out the orders. An easy way to run an affiliate marketing business is to build yourself up as a social media influencer. Hope this video is helpful for you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.